Okay. So by applying the image principle, we can show that the field produced between two reflector planes, the field produced between the field produced between the field produced between two reflector planes is same is same as that same as that would result as that would field produced field produced is result is that as that result is same as the result from an array of 2n current elements 2n current elements spaced equidistance on a circular path with the radius s with adjacent elements with opposite polarity with opposite polarity with opposite polarity the opposite polarities. Okay, so the number of images the number of images and polarity and position is controlled by included angle alpha and polarization of field element. Okay, so let us see here the pattern of multiple images on a circular path for different angles. Let us see here. So this is the image principle. So what is this image principle? States that the field produced by two plane reflector is seen that the result from an array of 2n current elements. The array of 2n current elements spaced equidistance on a circular path with radius s with adjacent elements with opposite polarity. Okay, so let us see here the pattern of multiple images on circular path for different angles. Okay, so see here for example. So let us consider here let us consider for n is equal to 2. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to pi by n, that is 180 by 2. Okay, so 90 degrees. So for square corner reflector, so how many number of elements will be there? There will be 2n number of elements. So here what is the value of n? N is equal to 2. So totally here 4 elements will be there. 4 elements. How they are arranged here? So the arrangement is like this. So 4n. The arrangement is like this. Okay, so for example, this is, let us consider this is the feed element. This is feed element. Okay, so this is feed element, real element. Okay, so draw the circular path. Draw the circular path. Total, how many elements will be there? 4 elements. But our other adjacent one is opposite polarity. If this is considered as positive, this is negative. Again, positive, and this is negative. So for a 90 degrees, all are having the separation distance as T. All are separated with T or S. Okay, so this is okay. So here for a 90 degrees square reflector. Okay, how many images and how many real elements there? 3 images and 1 real feed will be there. real feed. So totally how many elements? 4 elements. Okay. So this is for square corner reflector. Let us consider for corner reflector with 60 degrees. So in this, what is the value corner reflector with 60 degrees? So corner reflector with 60 degrees. So the value of n is equal to 3. The value of n is equal to 3. Okay. So total how many elements would be there? 2n. The value of n is equal to for a corner with 60 degrees, the value of n is equal to 3. So 2n current elements. 2n current elements means 2 into 3 is equal to 6 elements. Okay, now I'm going to draw this. First to draw the circle, dotted circle. Okay, so this is my dotted circle. This is the center. Okay, so original feed element. Okay, so this is original feed element. This is the one feed element. Okay, so adjacent element should be oppositely polarized. Okay, next feed element 3, next 4, 5, 6. So all are separated by the spacing. It is spacing is D or S. Okay. So here, how many number of images are there? If 5 images and one real feed. Totally, how many elements are there? 6 elements. Similarly, for corner reflector with 45 degrees. Okay. So corner reflector with 45 degrees, what is the value of n? N is equal to 4. So according to the image principles, how many elements will be there? 2n. That is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Here the angle is 90 degrees. Here the angle is 60 degrees. Okay. So let us consider for this first draw the circle. Draw the circle. Okay, so this is my feed element. This is my feed element. Okay, original feed element. Here, what is the angle? So angle it is 45 degrees. Second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element, seventh element, eighth element. Okay, so all are separated by distance. Okay, so in this, how many images? 7 images and one real thing. Okay, so let us apply this method of images. Let us apply